do non-traditional factors exist? After completing this video, you'll be able to explain why new factors are being discovered.
Mary, I understood how to create a portfolio based on traditional factors. But I have a question. If these factors have been known for so many years, is there a chance that they may not yield as much alpha now?
You are somewhat right. Traditional factors have become heavily researched and widely used. This can lead to overcrowding for some factors, making it expensive to execute trades, and subsequently leading to a decrease in alpha. That's why investors now look for new ways to generate alpha.
So non-traditional factors are like hidden opportunities?
Precisely. These are often untapped or less widely implemented, making them ripe for exploration. For example, you can invest in AI-based thematic ETFs, which identify companies heavily investing in AI. Or you can look at spikes in searches for a company and check if it can be a factor to invest in the company. Since these are unconventional ways to create portfolios, these factors are called non-traditional factors.
That's interesting. Are these factors just about finding hidden opportunities?
Not really. They also help diversify your portfolio. Non-traditional factors tend to be uncorrelated with traditional ones, which can enhance your portfolio's performance and reduce risk.
This sounds exciting, but also a bit overwhelming. How do I even start to find these factors?